Let's see if I can pull this off. So basically I need to where did I put the, oh here it is. So this is a new pipe I got today. It's gonna go onto this new filter I got, and I'm gonna put a piece on here, strap it to the wall, and try to hook it up to the rest of the plumbing here. Yeah. Okay, I think that's tight enough in the end cap. First, we're gonna insert whatever they call that. Yes, okay. So we're gonna insert the quartz tube. First, I'm gonna clean that with some white spirit. Yeah, make sure the quartz tube and UV lamp are clean before installation. Blah 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 blah. Wear soft non-abrasive gloves. I got a paper towel or paper. Move inlet from reaction chamber. Reaction chamber. Sounds dangerous. Okay. Okay, and this is the quartz tube, and I need it. I need just one. Yeah, oh, phew. There it is. O-ring and an O-ring, and I need some paper. I'd like to have somewhere to put this. Okay, let's see what we can make out of this. Okay, clean towel. Just clean at least. There we go. So, some white spirits. Just a little bit. I don't want to put too much into the water supply. So this is the tube, the UV filter, oops, the UV lamp is going to be inserted into. So there we go. And somehow I'm gonna get this inserted. I don't know if you can see this. It's a delicate process. I'm just gonna slide it in. It should stick out in the other end, if I do this correctly. Okay, on the other side, and lift it up. There we go, and it's sticking out. Now I need to get somehow without touching this. Oh, this is why I need the gloves probably. Well, I'm just gonna have to do it anyway and clean it up. So I'm going to put an end cap on there. And it looks like that. This should form a watertight seal. I hope. Okay. That's the light. And I'm going to connect that to this thing, which is looking really cheap. But it's supposed to be. It's probably a bad idea to look right into this, but I just want to make sure it's still in one piece. Let's plug it in real quick. Well, that's cool. It's like a disco. Okay. This lamp needs to be replaced once a year, I think. I also need to clean the pipe every 6 months. Okay. I guess this just covers this one. So now I should be able to turn the water on and then run for a few minutes, check for leaks, and if everything checks out, I'm just gonna plug that in. Moment of truth. Connected. So the water comes, that's the main line coming in from the pump, the pressure chamber. A filter housing, I don't think I have a filter in right now. This is our main filter to remove any kind of dirt and crap. So this is where the water flows. and this is the line going to the new filter in there, going all this way, and we got new UV light in here killing all bacteria, or 99 point blah blah percent, and it goes back down in this pipe into this filter housing where I remove the old filter, and this is the main line into the house, if you can see that. I don't know. This is just for the garden. So let's open up the main valve and hope we don't have any leaks. Okay, let's open it. Okay, and we're in business. No leaks. Looking good. Put this one. Yep, still good. As you can see, work. I guess that means working. That's good. Sweet. So, hopefully we don't have any leaks during the night. I think that's a pretty decent install by myself. Yep. Thanks for watching.